I am in the hotel room. This was ready early, lucky me. I didn't get footage of this because it would have been extremely rude to have filmed it while the lady was right there, but there was a car in the parking lot with no wheels propped up on a plastic block. And the lady whose car it was like getting stuff out of the car, so I was talking to her like, ooh, sorry that happened, and she's like, yeah, it happened last night. If I were you, I'd park over there overnight. So I'm planning on going out this evening because, like, there's nowhere to get dinner unless you do. Hopefully I'll be able to get a space by, like, the front of the building. Because I am, like, parked really close to where her car was, which obviously means it's, like, not a good place to park. Anyways, I'm missing some of my toiletries, but I already was, like, up and down getting my stuff. I'm not in the mood to, like, go back in my car and look for all my toiletries. Decent hotel room, kind of dated. More concerned about the car theft issues than the datedness of the room. About to get my shoes on and go out. I'm gonna be proactive today and not wait until there's horrible traffic and not wait until I'm too fucking hungry to go anywhere. That's not happening. Especially because it's supposed to be raining like perpetually over the weekend. And this is like the one chance to walk around where it might be enjoyable. Yeah, that was the car with the wheels stolen. The lady isn't there anymore, so I was able to film. There's a marina up ahead. We are certainly not in Lake Lure anymore. Guess we could have a proper marina comparison. This area has bright colored buildings and stuff. There's a record store that might be worth going in to look for the Ava Max album on CD, not the analog. Ooh, like a city square. Seems like a good place to take a break and relax a bit and eat some beef jerky and maybe a banana, because it's dinner time and I'm nowhere near a restaurant at the moment. Nice camouflage. So people will steal the copper out of the lights. Yep. Every time it's the weekend, I gotta spend time in not the greatest areas because it's a lot cheaper. So I'm done with being at the park. I think I've seen what there is to see. Just try to find somewhere that has a bathroom I can use. Maybe have dinner out here, maybe do carry out. Definitely gotta find a bathroom. Let's see if there's Ava Max. Ava Max. It's really windy, so this is probably not the best sound quality. Can't help it. No Ava Max at the Sound Garden. It's a really cool store though. I love used music stores, used video game stores, used bookstores. The works. Really gotta find a bathroom though. This is starting to suck. Crab cake sandwich and either fries or asparagus. I think they messed my order up, but it's sealed. See that? It's got a perforated seal, so I can't even check it. It'll be like a half hour probably to get back to the hotel, so we'll see what kind of slop it ends up being at that. It's just not well thought out. I could have just fucking eaten there, but no. I'm just so used to doing this, like, it's gonna be hard to change those habits of takeout. My feet hurt. So, back to the car, back to the hotel, and have a proper Maryland crab cake. Super looking forward to it. Alright, it's like 7 p.m. Why wait to get back to the hotel room when I could just eat in my car? I'm used to it. I'm used to it. Honestly, I think this is going to be the first city where I break in-person dining. Because this is just stupid to eat in my car. It's like, I don't want to wait a half hour and like, I'm not close by anything good with that hotel. I might as well just start eating in. Especially these restaurants where you have to go there to get the food anyways. But whatever. Okay. I mean, I would have to take the mask off to eat. Sealed for my safety. Sealed for their being able to get my order wrong and I can't do anything about it, is what I think. Ranch dressing. Ratchet Dining Club. Silverware. Ooh. They did give me asparagus instead of fries. I wanted asparagus and fries. And then I noticed on the receipt they didn't charge me for both. Asparagus is healthier than fries. Did you know asparagus is healthier than French fries? I bet you knew. And This is precarious. Totally falling apart. A crab cake sandwich that's totally falling apart. Fuck. Ah. Just looks like a super pale burger. It's like liquid. It's supposed to be liquid. I'm just like taking it all in mentally. Like, biscuits aren't a thing anymore. Barbecue isn't a thing anymore. Tacos aren't a thing anymore. Like we're in like a different part of the country. It's a lot nicer here than by the hotel where the car was broken into. There's like a lot of security guards and just a lot of people around, at least during the day here, where like something like that wouldn't happen like right here. The hotel's like right by these gas stations, so like it attracts people, I think. Like anyone could go to a gas station, even if you don't have a car, for food and stuff. My feet hurt so much, I wouldn't want to walk around more anyways. This asparagus. I think walking around here, way more vast than Charlottesville, obviously. Charlottesville just has this really preppy vibe. This is more down to earth. But it's not like warm, friendly, and welcoming the way like Arkansas was. North Carolina, not as much. I'd rather spend my time around here than in Pikesville or whatever. That was not a nice place. Free parking though. Parking here is like $30 a day. That's nuts. And the hotel's more expensive too. And a lot of the places with the $30 parking, it's not even the same building. So if you left something in your car, what a pain in the ass that would be. Like, it's already a pain in the ass to go down like 6 flights of elevator to get to the car, but like, it's not even the same building. Like, it's like across the street. That's nuts. I just had a thought, like, if it rains more now, maybe it'll rain less tomorrow. I don't think that's how it works, though. Just, like, more and more rain. Okay, this sandwich is not well mixed. So crab cake is like a mixture of stuff. The first half of the sandwich was like liquid, and then the second half of the sandwich is spicy. This is just weird. I guess I'm so hungry I'm devouring it. I mean, 2 hours ago I had a banana and beef jerky, but like, must have burned through it. Well, it's raining. My feet hurt. I've got baklava in the hotel room. I don't think that was enough food. The baklava will make it better. Got nothing for breakfast though. I'll deal with it later. I'll just deal with it later. All right. It's raining. Let's get out of here.